Welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Windows 11 24H2 date and time bug with KB5050094 on your Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, recently Microsoft has addressed a significant issue on your Windows 11 version 24H2 that previously prevented non-administrative users from changing time zone through date and time settings app. This problem was resolved with the release update of KB5050094 on January 28, 2025. So in this, if you are unable to do these changes, then you have to update your Windows. For that, you have to just click on this start menu, click on settings. In left side you will find Windows Update. Click on Windows Update, then click on check for update. After that, here you will find download and install. Just click on download and install. After that, it will take some time. After completion of this installation process, you have to restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So this way you can fix Windows 11 24H2 date and time bug with KB5050094 update. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.